In this video, we're going to discuss investing our Vietnamese dong currency in a rental property in Vietnam. The Iraqi dinar will always be our most important investment, but, since it may take much longer for the Vietnamese dong to adjust, it might be best to explore other options for getting a return on our investment. Yes, a group can collectively invest in a rental property in Vietnam using Tribevest. While Tribevest primarily facilitates United States-based investments, it actually provides the necessary infrastructure to pool funds, form a limited liability company, and manage group investments, which can be directed toward international properties, including those in Vietnam. First step, forming your investment group on Tribevest. Gather your group, assemble your investment partners, whether they're friends, family, or colleagues, with whom you plan to invest. Create a tribe by signing up on Tribevest and initiating the formation of your tribe, which involves a couple of important steps. First, LLC formation, establishing a multi-member limited liability company in any United States state. Next, the operating agreement, drafting and signing an agreement that outlines the group's investment strategy, decision-making processes, and member roles. Opening an FDIC-insured business bank account is essential for pooling funds securely, and by utilizing Tribevest's platform, you'll have access to proposals, voting, and transparent communication tools, making group governance much smoother. To plan your investment, it's important to determine the specifics of the rental property investment in Vietnam. This includes things like property selection, legal considerations, and management logistics. So, all the key details that will set the foundation for success. The channel's membership staff would actually handle all of this. Now, we will need no less than 100 members to begin this investment. 100 members at $2.99 per month, minus what YouTube takes 30%, equals approximately $210. We'd need about 2 months to cover the initial startup fee on Tribevest. With only 100 members, each member would need to invest $1,000 for the group to purchase property for around $100,000. We would need at least 400 members to purchase a property at an investment of $250 for each member. We would need for members to recruit other members to make this happen. The channel would pay for all expenses from the membership fees of $2.99 a month. There would be a need for 2 membership persons to sign on to the bank account. Tribevest platform costs include a setup fee. There's a one-time fee of $249 for the Tribe launch package, which covers LLC formation, EN creation, and bank account setup. So let's talk about the subscription plans. The business plan is available for $34 per month if you choose to be billed monthly, or you can opt for $29 per month when billed annually. Now, in addition to the subscription, there are some extra services you might want to consider. For example, the registered agent service costs $150 for the first year, and then $198 for each year after that. There's also the annual report filing, which comes in at $135 per year. Basically, these costs help cover the administrative and operational support that Tribevest provides, really streamlining the whole process of group investing. So when it comes to investing in Vietnamese property, Tribevest can definitely help with forming and managing your investment group. But, there are a few extra things to keep in mind. Vietnam has some pretty specific regulations around foreign ownership of real estate. It's really important to consult with a legal expert who knows Vietnamese real estate law, just to make sure you're fully compliant. Establishing a reliable property management system in Vietnam is, honestly, pretty crucial for handling rentals, ongoing maintenance, and of course, tenant relations. When it comes to financial transactions, you'll want to coordinate with financial institutions to manage things like currency exchange fund transfers and making sure you comply with both United States and Vietnamese financial regulations. Tribevest offers a structured platform for groups to pool resources and invest collectively. providing helpful tools for LLC formation, banking, and governance. While it doesn't directly handle international property acquisitions, it definitely equips your group with the necessary infrastructure to pursue investments like these. It's important to make sure you engage with legal and financial professionals who are experienced in Vietnamese real estate so you can successfully navigate the complexities of international investment. The channel features a real estate broker in Vietnam who is also a YouTuber born and raised in the United States. He and his business partners live full-time in Vietnam. The YouTube membership is a crucial part of this plan. 1. It takes care of all expenses for Tribevest. Additionally, it handles expenses for research and facilitates private communications among channel members.